beautiful. So let's do this shows about an 8.5. So let's do an 8.5 by 8.5 square, and then that one area we can round it off like it's in that photo. He's got it because he's gonna take this because he's getting the foam ready for this because we're gonna go pick up the foam for another job. So 8.5 by 8.5. We need 2 of those, and then that pillows. These we talked about possibly putting new filler. So let's see what they have for a. Looks like a 17 by 11 insert. This is the fabric that's going on the walls. So instead of this, it's going to be this. Alligator. Alligator's going here. This bar, right here. Right here. Right here. And here. And then you see that bar, grab handle there?
Yeah.
The grab handle here. And on the door. And then back here, these are getting leather. And then along with this wall here. Like I said, we can get the sofa out of there tomorrow. We can get the front seats out of there tomorrow.
Where these are, and just cutting it. Keeping that gator straight on there and just cutting this.
He kind of wants that desk like move in. That's okay, so we got all the foam we need for the sofa, and then the walls, and the pillows.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time.
It looks taller. Like that looks taller than what that would be.
Yeah, I want to do the second one on. So you got your mainspring here, right there. It'll clamp down on your leather. And your blade. Shaved it. Looks just about like what AI pulled up.
Say it louder, say it louder. Oh, feel the moment, feel the power. Oh, bring the animal back to life. Oh, bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time.
Take this and line this up and just kind of line it up like that.
Take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Oh, feel the moment, feel the power. Oh, bring me out.
All that leather in the sky. When it gets real thick like that, we can touch that up in the first time. So make sure that you might have to ever they lift this so it doesn't, the leather doesn't drag on the deck. So I can make this turn.
The machine's squeaking here, it's squeaking.
You need oil?
I think the foot's rubbing on the other foot. So I don't know if it's there or here. I think it's here.
I can give you a few drops if you want.
You hear it?
I do.
Just one. Yeah.